Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. I've been on sabbatical here for the last, I don't know, 6, 8 weeks, but I'm back now. I'm back, and I'm going to show you a day trade from this morning with 1-minute candles, and it was a bull flag, and it was on NVAX. Here we have this bull flag. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's right here. This is the R1 pivot line right here at 43 even dollar. Kept resisting. So I set a trade right up here where it'd be popping up to, and I was ready to go long. And let's see what happened next here. And boom, there it goes. And look at the volume that came in. Look at that volume that came in. And I am now in at $43.19. Hoo-ah. All right, so there we are. So I have a 1% attached stop, and that's at 42.75. Automatic, it's already there. And then as it popped up here, I'm going to start to pull it up here, not quite to break even, but I'm going to stay under that $43. I'm going to stay under this pivot line and this trend line here, say right here just below that. So I just reduced my risk from 1% to something less than that. All right, let's see what happened after that. Markets were starting to reverse and go up. They went up, and then they were stalled for a while, and now guess what? Right at 10 o'clock they started to take off again, and so is NVAX, NVAX. Look at that, up to here to 48. Now up here is the R2 pivot line coming up here, this possible line of resistance, but instead it stopped just short of there. Well, it tagged it there, it tagged it. We fast forward here a little bit, and look, my rules say that, hey, if it stalls here for 3 to 4 minutes at a particular line of resistance, I take out half. So I took out half here right at 44.64 for 1% on the first half. Now I'm going to change my stop here to show the half the shares. I'm going to bring it in the money here, just under the 44 even dollar amount. I already have 1% in there, so let's give it a little bit of room to rock and roll here. And look at the volume is very high during this movement. Let's keep moving here. What happened? And boom, there it goes. Just fast forward a little bit here. It just kept creeping up. And look at that, right here at 46 even dollar amount. Again, bringing my stop up here under 45. And right here at this point, I got called away from the desk and from my trading desk for a moment. So I went ahead and I pulled my stop up here just above 45.45. And it was fluttering around up here, and it was still just, look at that, just nice and easy. These are 1-minute candles. It came back to this 8 EMA, but again, I was away from the desk, coming back here. Actually, I think it was at 58 is where I had my stop set. And sure enough here, what happened then, finally, bam, right there. That's where it got me out, dropped down below there, below the 20 moving average, below this 45.60 area, which is acting as support, which was resistance over here. So I was out at 45.55 was my fill for 5.5% on the second half. Ooh-ah, not bad, huh? And so let's take a look at this whole trade here. It was a beautiful bull flag here, and it took off from there, and did a little mini stop right here. So I went in and I took out my partial, locked in some profits, had an in the money stop, took off up here, could not seem to stay, it was staying above the 46 even dollar, put my stop in place, and turn up, drop down below there. So this total trade was for 3.3% in 38 minutes. Hoo-ah! Hey, if you want to know more about what a bull flag is and other trading patterns that we trade, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. I know that's a mouthful. And we have a free chart school right here. Let's go to chart school. And these are the different trading patterns that we would trade in day trading or swing trading or longer term position trading. They're consistent no matter what time frame your candle is. And I'm going to go to bull flag right here, and each page has a description of what it is, as this one here is bull flag. See, it was running up and it was coming back in a channel, and so I was going to set your trade just above that area, and you can read about it here. Here's some live examples here. These are from where each candle was 1 day. This is a daily chart. This one broke out nicely here. This one's just set up here right now. And then look at this one. These were from day trading ones here earlier. Here was a bull flag, broke out, bull flag, broke out. Wow, nice. Here was a bull flag, and look at the breakout on that one. This is from earlier trades that I had a couple years ago, actually, just to show as examples. So that's what a bull flag is. Now, if you'd like to learn to trade the Grok Trade way, you can. You can go to our site, groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, and you go here to Training Mentor. All right, you can actually sign up to take our 101 trading class free. It's just 6 sections. It talks about what trading is. That can be on the free online trading education site, or you can go here and talk and see about what is our full mentoring program about, and it is to teach you how to trade responsibly and reasonably and systematically and non-emotionally. Oh man, of course, in times like now when we're in a bearish market, everybody's kind of pulling their hair out. Well, I've been mostly cash, just waiting for it to turn around, at least in my retirement accounts where I can't go short. It's been fun. So if you want to know more about our mentoring program here, go to Trading Mentor. It starts with 3 days of intensive training, and then we are your mentors from that point forward as you apply it to the markets. Yes, you could go out and read a zillion books about it, but what's the most important things? A, and B, how do you apply what you learn? B, right? So you have to sort through all the stuff that's out there, find out what can be effective, and then you need to apply it so it's effective for you. That's what our mentoring program is about. Yeah, one-time charge, you get the education, then you get the mentoring from that point forward, and you can come back and take the 3-day intensive training as many times as you'd like. So with no extra charge to that. So we have you can read about it here, all about our program. There's lots to read about it, But if you'd like to talk about it with us, not a sales call, just a talk, we call this a discovery call. Just fill out this information here, and we'll give you a call. Just talk about your trading, what your trading is, and issues that you're having with it, and we'll see if our mentoring education can help you, and then our mentoring coaching after that, if that's going to help you apply it to your trading, so you can become a more systematic, rational, consistent trader. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that trade your rules, not your emotions. Trade well, and may your winners run.